Hello and welcome back. Yet another topic on SQS today. As you can tell, it's quite an important topic in AWS, and that's because it does allow for that integration of services with each other and decoupling in AWS. So it's important, and there are quite a few questions or types of questions that can come up on the exam. Yeah, let's dive straight into it. So today we're talking about FIFO queues, or first in, first out queues. So here we've got an example of a standard queue, and what happens here is messages are put into the queue and then they're read by consumers. It's got a huge throughput, so it's virtually unlimited. You can put as many messages and read as many messages per second as you want. But it has two drawbacks. First of all, it is a best effort ordering, so there's no guarantee that messages will be read in the same order that they're received. So in this case, message that was received 5th will be read 3rd. It's like 3rd in the order. And also another drawback is that it has at least once delivery. So at least once, but maybe more. Some messages might be duplicated. So in this case, you can see there's two versions of message 3. The use case for a standard queue, therefore, would be situations and scenarios that don't really mind these drawbacks. For instance, log aggregation, you don't really mind if there's a duplication of logs, or event notification in the case when the events don't matter in which order they come. Then there's also FIFO queues. If that's not good enough for you, if your use case requires something more strict, there's a FIFO queue. Basically, the throughput is less. You cannot put as many as you want. The maximum is 300 transactions per second, or up to 3,000 with batching. And here the messages go in and they're read in the same order that they come in. And also there is no duplication. And so this would be important for use cases like financial transactions or a workflow automation. So just keep those two in mind. That's the main difference between standard and FIFO queues. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.